Alright guys, now in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to upload your latest credit report. Now, it's really important for you guys to understand that, sometimes this might not be your first time importing your credit report, okay? So it might be the second time. And so when it's like 30 days later or 35 days later, your credit report updates, you'll see something here that says report available. Now, when you see this, you want to, first of all, come into this section right here, update credit report, click here, and you want to go ahead and click import credit report. Now, let me take a step back because you have a couple options. So before we talk about updating your credit report, which is like the second or third or fourth time you're updating your credit report, let's talk about the first time you import your credit report, okay? So the first time you import your credit report, you have a couple options, right? So you can sign up for Smart Credit, My Free Score Now, Identity IQ, or My Score IQ currently. Now we're coming out with Creditfixrr reports soon. All right, so you'll see Creditfixrr reports. All right, now this video is going to be slightly longer, okay? So I want to cover a couple things. So I recommend Smart Credit or My Free Score Now until we launch Creditfixrr reports. Now, I have nothing really against Identity IQ or My Score IQ, but I just recommend these two because they're newer reports and they're easier to import. All right, so I have Smart Credit reports in, right? Once you want to sign up for Smart Credit, you're going to need your credit monitoring service throughout the lifetime of your credit repair process, okay? So you want to maintain your credit monitoring service in order for you to really fix your credit, all right? Now that I got that out the way, once you sign up for Smart Credit, you want to put your username, and then you want to put your password here, and then you want to click Save. Once you click Save, then you can click Import, and then it's going to do a couple things. It's going to import your entire credit report as it is on Smart Credit from all three credit monitoring services. That's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, okay? Now, the software is also going to do another thing. It's going to do a credit analysis of your credit report, okay? Now, being that this is the second time I'm importing a credit report, it says report available. Now, this is the caveat. When you see this, you want to go directly into Smart Credit. You can click this link right here. It's going to take you there, right? And then you're going to log in. Once you log in, you're going to go to 3 Bureau credit reports, and then you're going to click refresh latest credit report. It's something to that degree, okay? Now, once you do that, you want to come back to Creditfixrr, and then you want to just click import. Now, it's going to pull in your latest credit report. Now, if your credit report increased, if your credit scores increase, you'll see an increase in the credit score, okay? Now, sometimes there may only be an increase or removal of derogatory items from one credit reporting agency. So you might not see it on Equifax or TransUnion, but you might see it on Experian, right? So I'm importing a new credit report. Now, in this particular credit report, it increased 129 points. So sent out some dispute letters and the items got removed, all right? Now, these increased as well, so it just lets me know that I got some more work to do to improve this credit report, okay? So that is how you import your credit report the first time, and also how you import your credit report a second time. You wanna make sure that you go into your credit monitoring service, and if it's your second time, you wanna update or refresh to the latest credit report, okay? So anytime you see that report available, that's what you have to do, and then you come back to Creditfixrr, click import. All right, so this was a little bit longer, but I just want to make sure I covered a couple things. All right.